Now we're going to set up our ad. You can see that the correct page has been selected, but in this case it's selected another Instagram account that's selected to my ads account. So I'm just going to use selected page. If you have an Instagram account that's been connected to your Facebook Business Manager, you can use your Instagram account. So it'll actually show up in Instagram as advertising as your Instagram entity. Now I am going to just click on clear here. I'm going to add media, add an image. Here's an image that I've uploaded already in preparation for this ad. Now you can see here, I recommended earlier on in the other videos that you create a square ad, and that's because a square ad is usually best across all placements. However, you can customize or add customized sizes, but the square format is fine. Now we're going to add some ad copy. Here's some that I've created earlier, which I'll just paste in. So could you be saving dollars on your mortgage repayments? Refinance your home loan with rates as low as 1.83% comparison rate and save. I'll just remove that. Ask us today. So find out how much you could save, and you can see the preview is starting to show. The preview is showing here. Now really important is to select what you think is the best call to action. Because we're using a lead form, I'm going to use learn more, remembering that once people click on this, they then get to see the Facebook lead form. Don't worry about description and don't worry about display link. These generally don't show up on mobile devices, so I tend not to worry about them. These other options, you can actually add variations of your primary text and headline, and you can test. You can test up to 5 different versions of each, and Facebook will actually cycle through those to see which performs best and then optimize for the best ones. It is a good option to use and something that I recommend perhaps down the track you can have a play with. Now, the form that I created in the previous video has already been selected. This is another area where you can actually go ahead and create a form. That's the form that I want to use, so I'm going to leave that one selected. Tracking. If you have already set up a tracking pixel on your website, then you can select it here. With lead ads, it's not necessarily required, so don't worry too much about that if you don't have it set up. Everything else can stay the same. And now we're ready to publish. So you click publish and your lead ad will be live.